Educational Technology Vision Statement for Eldon School District by Kristen Runyan as a requirement of EDU580 for William Woods University. Eldon School District's current mission statement says, meaningful relationships, rigorous learning, relevant applications. This statement reflects the ways in which Eldon Schools works to support their students, families, and teachers. Our educational technology statement will enhance, not replace, this mission. The first component of our vision statement is meaningful relationships. In relation to technology, we will actively seek ways to communicate with families, school board, community, and education stakeholders. We will make school-related information openly available through the use of a school website, social media, and regular reporting. The second component, rigorous learning. Students will regularly take part in individualized, data-driven, computer-based learning opportunities. Resulting data will be used for diagnostic, intervention, and enrichment purposes. Our school currently uses Go Math curriculum, McGraw-Hill reading curriculum, Extra Math, and iReady. In addition, students will learn 21st century skills, and teachers will make use of the SAM-R model. 21st century skills are a framework that describes the skills, knowledge, and expertise students need to be successful in life, both in and out of school. We will use this framework to guide the instruction of core curriculum, life and career skills, and technology expertise. The SAM-R model is a process designed to assist teachers with digital transformation in their classrooms. Teachers will use self-reflection to compare their traditional paper-driven instruction to 4 levels of digital integration: substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. Teachers will use this model as a shift to a technology-integrated classroom. It is the hope that teachers will remain lifelong students as they continue to integrate technology into their classroom. The final component of our school mission statement is relevant applications. We will use both authentic and explicit learning opportunities to teach students about and with technology. All students will be taught media and technology skills, internet safety, and digital citizenship through regular technology use. The use of technology will not just occur in an isolated library media center or computer lab, but will occur daily in the classroom as part of regular classroom activities. Our eventual goal is one-to-one implementation using Google Chromebooks and the Google Apps for Education as our learning platform. Our school currently uses Gmail and such apps as Google Docs, Google Forms, Google Sheets, and Google Slides as a resource for teachers. How does this fit with our final educational technology vision statement? Our vision statement states, Eldon School District is committed to providing an individualized learning experience that prepares all students for their lives outside K-12 education. We will use technology as a sustainable, constantly improving resource to provide an excellent education in core subjects, life and career skills, and digital citizenship. We will train and support school staff in self-reflection and technology implementation as they prepare for the digital future of education. We will continue to maintain open, honest, and useful communication with our families, school board, and community members. It is the hope that our educational technology vision statement will not take away from our school's mission statement, but will add to it and enhance it for the 21st century. Thank you.